Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber, returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I am coming on here because I am again participating in the open collaboration Project Share Thursday that Mary Allen hosts every Thursday. Well, here I did some more of the labels. I got asked by the group that I swapped with if I can angel someone. And so I said yes. So I went ahead and I made some more labels. And the lady that they're going out to, I know that she likes like pastels and stuff, and she is a very creative lady. So I just wanted to share what will be going out to her. And whoops. And these are a little bit more like the other one where I did use some tissue, and then all of these stickers right here happen to be from a like the planner stickers. And then I went in with a punch and I punched all of those out, and then these were little strips of just holographic cardstock. Here's a good look at all of the labels, and I will include the tutorial that I used down in the description below. If you would like to see all of the other participants in this open collaboration and get inspired, just follow the hashtag Project Share Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.